How to make your Facebook account private on your phone. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can make your account private by using your Facebook app right from your phone. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. Making your Facebook account private, whether you are on phone or on PC, it's a fairly simple process. What we're going to do is just launch the Facebook app and make sure to log into your account. Tap your profile icon, which is located at the top left of the screen like this, and from here you can just tap on this three dots icon that you can see here. When you tap this little three dots icon, you'll find various options. There you can see the option that says lock profile, so tap on the lock profile button. It will ask you for a confirmation, so if you want to make your account private, tap on lock your profile. Now you'd have made your Facebook account private right by using the Facebook app on your phone. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.